Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this beautiful hat for newborn. It is a flat hat. It has a seam, but I did it really smooth, and because I'm using a baby yarn it's really soft, so no worries that baby will feel something. So here is the seam, really soft. I like the main stitch part, and of course I would like to knit a matching cardigan or romper, but I don't know if you like it. Just leave comments or like this video that I know you want a full set. For this hat I was using 4mm knitting needles and this beautiful and soft yarn, really good one from Lanosor, and it is medium worsted weight yarn, and it has I think 180 meters, right, per 100 grams. So you can use any medium worsted weight yarn. The hat will fit baby's head circumference 36-38 centimeters. So absolute newborn. So let's do it. Using long tail cast on method and 4mm knitting needles, cast on 54 stitches. I have a little bit long tail, no worries. Slip the first stitch and knit one, purl one the ribbon. Knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Knit one, purl one till the end. At the end, the last stitch we will always purl. It is a salvage stitch. Turn. Now go on repeating the ribbon. Slip the first stitch, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Please finish this round and repeat ribbon for in total for 6 rows. Here I am, I've done 6 rows. Let's measure in case you are using another type of yarn, so it is exactly 3 centimeters. And now, the pattern stitch that I'm going to use for this hat has to be divisible by 4 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. So in total we need to get 53. So now we will make a decrease, but it's only once we will do it. Slip the first stitch and right away purl 2 together, so we decrease 1 stitch. Now purl 2, knit 1. So in total we have purl 3, knit 1, and that's what we are going to repeat. Purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1 till the end. At the end, 3 extra stitches, you remember, purl 3. and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2 of the main pattern, slip the first stitch. Now purl 1, and we need to make 3 stitches from the next stitch, 3 from 1. So you skip the next stitch and insert the needle between the first and second stitch. Now draw up a loop, make a yarn over, and knit the next stitch. Knit 1 and purl 2. And that's what we are going to repeat. Purl 1, skip the next stitch and insert the needle in between, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1 and purl 2. 1, 2. Let's do it once more. Purl 1, skip, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2, and again purl 1, knit, purl 2. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end we have 3 extra stitches, so we make purl 1, then skip, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3, knit 1, slip the first stitch and knit 1, purl 3. So we purl all that 3 stitches that we made from 1. Okay, purl 3 and knit 2. And that's what we are going to repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 2. And once more, knit 1, purl 3, knit 2. Please go on. At the end, knit 1, purl 3, and knit 1 here, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4. The last row after that we are going to repeat, slip the first stitch and now knit 2 together or make a right lining decrease. After that, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over. So we did, you see, right lining decrease and left lining decrease. So this is right, and purl 1. So let's repeat. As you see, we return to the 4 stitches, initial 4 stitches. Knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, and purl 1. Knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, and purl 1. One more time, knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, and purl 1. Please repeat. At the end you did knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, and purl the last stitch. That's what we have. Now we turn and start repeating last 4 rows. Purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1 until head reaches 11 centimeters. So here I am, and that's what I have. So look, 11 centimeters. If you count, I repeated the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, or 20 rows. Now turn, and we are going to start making decreases on the wrong side. So slip the first stitch. Now knit 3, knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 3, knit 2 together. Please go on till the end. At the end you did knit 3, knit 2 together, then knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. In this row will be no decreases, so knit all stitches across. Till the end. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, and now knit 2, knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together till the end. At the very end I have one extra stitch, so I just purl it together with a selvage stitch, like purl 2 together. Turn. Row number 4 will be no decreases, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. Till the end. Row number 5, slip the first stitch and knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Please go on decreases. Row number 6, slip the first stitch and go on making decreases. Knit 2 together, 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 and the last, again I have one extra stitch, just purl 2 together. That's it. Now what you're going to do, slip the second stitch over the first one. Now third stitch again over the first one, fourth, and so on. Okay, draw up a loop and cut the yarn. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail, not long, at least 20-25 centimeters. Now you will need a yarn needle, thread the tail, and now you will need to pull the needle underneath remaining stitches to join two edges. There are not so many. And pull. Now join two edges. Find selvage stitches and insert the needle through the back loop and through the front loop. In this way, one more time. Insert the needle through the back loop of the piece that is further from you and through the front loop of the piece that is closer to you. Back and front. So I found out this is the best seam that I'm usually using if I am knitting hats in rows. That's why I like knitting in rounds. Please finish the seam. Here I am, guys, and that's how the hat and the seam is looking now. Really cute, soft, as I said. This is the wrong side. Weave in ends. So don't forget to cut leftovers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave comments if you want more of baby newborn hats or if you want a matching cardigan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!